In this video, I am getting my pumpkin spice on. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So Demetria at the Sweet Savant has issued her annual Pumpkin Spice Dessert Challenge, and she right now is fiending for all things pumpkin, particularly the Pumpkin Spice Latte from Starbucks. So she got me to thinking about a pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks, and I stopped in my local Starbucks, or at least one of them, and they said pumpkin spice won't be here until the end of August. So I thought, well, what can I do to create something in my home that will approximate that little pumpkin spice latte? And I found a recipe online, and I will link it below. But it is called a Pumpkin Spice Latte Milkshake. And it's really simple to make, and it is perfect for those hot summer afternoons. And it can be for you, or it can be for your child. So all you need is a blender. And then you need 2 cups of coffee flavored ice cream. 2 cups of coffee flavored ice cream, half a cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice mix. And this is actually the pumpkin pie spice. A half a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. And I think that's it. Put it in the blender and mix it up. The important thing is that you get it all blended nicely together. That pumpkin puree, the ice cream, the milk, and of course the spices. Now let me give it a taste just to see if it's sweet enough. Tastes pretty good. So now I'm going to take 2 glasses and just kind of drizzle caramel sauce on the inside. Now we'll prepare this one. And I love this Hershey's caramel sauce. I use it all the time to make different little things, turtle sundaes and all that kind of stuff, but it's going to be perfect. And now we pour this milkshake into the glass. And now just a touch of cinnamon. And here we have it, 2 perfectly made pumpkin spice latte milkshakes.
Thank you, dear.
You're welcome. Now let's give it a taste.
Delicious.
Let me take this opportunity to thank Demetria at the Sweet Savant for hosting this collaboration. If you are not familiar with Demetria, you've got to check her out. She's an amazing cook, and she has all kind of great recipes and different cooking demonstrations over there on her channel. And the playlist is going to be absolutely amazing as the creators check in with their pumpkin spice desserts. Sorry, just had to take a taste. And if you like this video, I've got a couple other videos that I think you would enjoy from my Fruits of the Season series. I've got a blackberry cobbler that is to die for, and there's a few others that I think you will enjoy. So I will link them above and below as well. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.